Good morning, class. Today I will teach you kinematics in 1 and 2 dimension. I think previous lecture on vector analysis will be highly helpful for you. Now I will teach you kinematics first, but before kinematics, I would like to explain the reference frame. And what is the reference frame? The plane, axis, point with respect to which we can determine the position, direction, state, and configuration. Called shape and size. For example, Earth is a point object. Earth is a point object with respect to Sun, while Earth is a large object with respect to animal. So the configuration, position, direction, state, everything is determined according to the reference frame. If you would like to explain the position, अगर हम position बताना चाहते हैं तो हम जमीन से ऊपर हैं, छत के नीचे हैं, इस दीवार के लेफ्ट साइड में है, पीछे वाले दीवार के राइट साइड में है, इसके फ्रंट में है, इसके फ्रंट में है, उसके बिहाइंड में है. इससे आपका पोजीशन भी डिटरमाइन करेंगे अलग अलग फ्रेम में. डायरेक्शन भी बोल सकते हैं हम, ईस्ट में है, वेस्ट में, किसी के रिस्पेक्ट में ईस्ट में हो सकता है, किसी का रिस्पेक्ट में वेस्ट में हो सकता है. देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ रेफरेंस फ्रेम: inertial reference frame or non-inertial reference frame. What is the inertial reference frame? The body, the frame which is in rest or moving with uniform velocity then it is called inertial reference frame. Non-inertial reference frame, the frame which is accelerated is called non-inertial reference frame. In this way, inertial reference frame, Newton's law is valid. In this frame, Newton's law is valid. But in this frame, Newton's law is not valid. This is called reference frame. Now, I would like to explain kinematics. First, I will explain rest and motion. Rest. The body doesn't change its position with respect to surrounding, then it is called in rest. The body does not change its position with respect to the frame or surrounding, then it is said to be rest. Then it is in rest. तो रेस्ट में, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 2 persons are sitting on the opposite berth of a moving train. Both persons are in rest with respect to each other, whether the train is in motion, because both the persons, there is no change in position between both the persons. Whether the train is accelerated or moving with uniform velocity or in rest, both the person is in rest, because the change in position, the distance between both the person is always constant always constant during its motion or whether it is in rest. So the condition is that if there is no change in position in the body is said to be in rest. Motion, if it changes, if it means body changes its position, then it is said to be in motion. तो उसको मोशन में कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ए ट्रेन इज मूविंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म, ए पर्सन इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म. द देन पर्सन, जो पर्सन मानते एक आदि प्लेटफॉर्म पर खड़ा है, ट्रेन चल रही है. सडनली ट्रेन चल रही है, तो जो पर्सन इस प्लेटफॉर्म पर है वो मोशन में है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू ट्रेन, या ट्रेन के रिस्पेक्ट में आदमी के रिस्पेक्ट में ट्रेन मोशन में है, या ट्रेन के रिस्पेक्ट में आदमी मोशन में है. क्यों? बिकॉज if the train is in motion, there is a change in position between train and the person. So it is in motion. Now we will explain kinematics. It is a branch of kinematics. It is a branch of physics which deals with the motion of the body. इसी motion के बारे में explain करता है, but does not discuss the cause of motion. ये physics का ऐसा branch है जिसमें body के motion के बारे में explain करता है, लेकिन बॉडी कैसे मोशन में आया, क्या कारण था कि मोशन में आया, डज नॉट डिस्कस. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड काइनेमेटिक्स. एंड डायनेमिक्स डज नॉट मोशन एंड डज नॉट डिस्कस द कॉज ऑफ मोशन. Dynamics motion also discuss the cause of motion. That is dynamics. A car is moving with a speed of 20 meters per second. It is a kinematics, but because ये kinematics है, because it does not take, there is no external function or any other function which explain that whether the car is, how the car is attain the speed of 20 meters per second. मतलब अगर कोई कार 20 मीटर पर सेकंड से चल रहा है तो कोई बता नहीं सकता कि 20 मीटर पर सेकंड कैसे आया. Then this is kinematics, because it doesn't discuss the cause of motion. But if I would like to say that in this way, that car is moving with a 20 meters per second. If a force of 10 Newton is applied over it, then this is dynamics. Okay. Two important terms develop here: distance and displacement. Kinematic, distance and displacement. What is distance? total change in position in the body, between initial and final. A shortest distance between initial and final is called displacement. दूसरा, it is a scalar quantity. It is vector quantity. तीसरा, it may be, it is always positive. It may be positive, negative or zero. चौथा, distance is always greater than equal to displacement. Displacement is less than equal to distance. In this way, SI unit meter, SI unit meter. In this way, we can differentiate between distance and displacement.